In this video, you will learn about accessing files, reading it, writing it, and how to append a new file. So let's start. So for I'm writing a my file equals to I firstly created a file named snare.txt in this folder itself. So I don't have to give a path. I have to give a path. So what I have to write is just open and write inside a file name, say for snare.txt. And if you have not saved your .txt file in the same folder, then just pass a whole path in between the quotes. So if now you want to read this file, what I wrote in this file, then what you have to do is just write my file dot read, and this where you can read my name is Sneh and I am a programmer. Now see, if you print once again, then it will print a blank space. See why it happens? Because as first the cursor is here, and once you are printed it will be here. Now again you are printing, then there will be no there is nothing to print. Yeah, you can say that there is nothing to print. So what you have to do is firstly place your cursor to the start position. How can we do that? Then you just have to write my file and dot seek. I want to place a cursor at the 0th position. Now see, you can see instead of the blank, it will be printed my name is Sneh and I am a programmer. Now there is a new method. There you don't have to seek the file and nothing you have to do. You don't have to even close the file. Here I have to close the file. My file dot close, like this. You don't have to worry about anything. So what I have to do is just that's a syntax like with, then I have to open that file. What? snare.txt like this, sorry, yeah, and I'm writing a mode as a read. So I want to read the file. Mode equals to R, like this, and as what, let's give a name, any name, say for F. Yeah, now you can read this file like I want to print and so for what I can do, let's assign a variable. Yeah, that is the nice. So for content equals to one second, did I forget something or no? Yeah, content equals to what I have to write is my file. So for F, I had assigned it as F. So what I have to do is F dot read, and I have to print this content. So what happened is print and the content. To print this content, let's check. See, my name is Sneh and I am a programmer. Now therefore you have to append something, like you have to add hi I am cool. Yeah, you can say this. I have to add here. So what you have to do is just write a mode as a append. It is mode as append, you can say as a, and I have to write something. So what I have to write is F dot write, and I want to write is I am cool, like this. Now if you want to read the file, then you have to first read it. So what you have to do is first read it. So with open and then here write a W. No, sorry, W not, you have to read it. So there will be a R, mode R as F, and I want to read this. Therefore, I'm writing here as a read. And here I'm placing blank. Therefore, I'm writing content equals to f.read. Now what it will print is my name is Sneh and I am a programmer, and it will add after this, hi, I am cool. See, like this. My name is Sneh and I am a programmer, hi, I am cool. If I run once again, then what it will do is it will print again, hi, I am cool. Okay, so there is a write mode. You can also write something in this. Therefore, if there's a file doesn't exist, therefore you are writing a file in a mode W, and therefore there is a snave1, and their file doesn't exist of snave1.txt in that folder. Then in that condition, what it will happen is it will make on file and write hi, I am cool. Let's check. See, there's a file been created. Let's check with reading. Yeah, which is the control C. See, here is the file. It created automatically. It had created the file of names name1.txt automatically. So this way you can play with files, creating the files and reading the files, and you can do many things using Python. So how like a Hellcat.